Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make glide bass in Serum. First, open Serum and set the voicing to mono and legato in the global tab. This ensures your notes will smoothly transition. Next, adjust the portamento knob to control the speed of your glide. A setting between 50 and 150 milliseconds is a great starting point for a noticeable, yet musical, glide effect. For your oscillator, select a simple waveform like a basic sine or a saw wave. Keep the unison at one voice for a focused sound. Now, move to envelope 1. Set the attack to 0, the decay to around 300 milliseconds, and the sustain level to about 70%. This gives your bass a quick punch and a solid body, perfect for a driving glide bassline. Next, apply a low-pass filter to oscillator A. Set the cutoff frequency to around 200 Hz and the resonance to about 15%. This will give your bass a warm, rounded tone. Consider adding a touch of tube distortion from the FX tab, maybe 10% drive, for some subtle grit. Finally, use a compressor to even out the dynamics, ensuring your bass is consistently powerful. When playing your bass line, ensure your notes overlap slightly to trigger the glide effect. Experiment with the portamento time. A shorter time creates a snappier glide, while a longer time offers a smoother transition. Modulate the filter cutoff with an LFO or an envelope for added movement and expression. These steps will help you craft a powerful and dynamic glide bass.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.